time now to catch up with our crop marketing specialist, Kim Anderson. And Kim, you got two important things going on in the market as well as the price outlook this week.
Yeah, I think the most important thing going on right now is the weather, and then second is the USDA report that was released last Thursday.
Well, let's start with the weather. Of course, it's always on everybody's mind.
Well, I was watching that KC July contract last week. It was down about 20 cents, and then it popped down about another 14, 15, 16 cents. You get to looking at what's going on. I think it's completely related to the weather forecast for rain this weekend and early next week.
Okay, and overall the wheat's in pretty good shape, especially compared to last year?
Well, we get that in the reports, but in talking to some producers, and like in the Southwest, Altus, it's better than it's been in years. But I think you get up around Enid and north central Oklahoma, the main wheat area, I think some of that wheat has been hurt, and I don't know if it's going to recover with this weather. I don't think that's in the market yet.
Okay. Let's talk about the supply and demand numbers. Those have just been released.
Well, there was a whole lot of nothing in that report. You look at those numbers on that WASDE for wheat, it came out at 684 million bushels ending stock. 692 was the trade estimate. In March, it was 691. A lot of nothing. Corn, 1.83 billion bushels ending stocks. 185 was the trade estimate, 1.78 in March. So I think corn, there is some negative news there. World on wheat, 7.25 billion was the number estimate pre-release, 7.26, 7.26 last month. A whole lot of nothing. With corn though, just like in the US, 7.42 billion bushels compared to 7.36 expected and 7.29 last month. So corn, I think there's some news there. Wheat, no market reaction, and that's just about what you'd expect.
And then finally, the price outlook, how's that impacting everything?
Well, you look at prices, they've been going down with this weather market right now. I think the weather's going to determine things. You got to look back over the last few months. How accurate has the weather forecast been? You know, we've been 50%, 100% chances of rain, and we got a couple hundredths of an inch, especially in the wheat area. So if we get the rain, the prices are going to go down. If the wheat's hurt more than I think it is, then I think prices will come back up and be higher as we get into harvest.
Okay, Kim Anderson, Crop Marketing Specialist. We'll see you next week.